Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop, and today we are looking at the Timun Krai. This is an Indonesian cucumber melon variety, Cucumis mellow variety conomon. And I went away for about a week and a half and came back to the way that it's going to look as you see it now. Plus I had another about half dozen fruit that had fallen or had just started rotting. So I got to take care of them late last night when we got home. So here's a better look at this variety in the sun. So you can see the little tiny hairs on there. Almost like really hard to see. It's a Cucumis melo trait. Very small hairs. That kind of thing is not present in Cucumis sativus. Cucumis sativus, you sometimes get the spines, but not the fine hairs. And you wouldn't really be seeing it if you didn't know what you were looking for. And here I can feel the fine hairs, even though you can't really see it. So these are generally picked for either cooking or pickling. Also fresh eating. You can eat them fresh when they're younger. It tastes really good as a cucumber. Most Cucumis mellow conomon, or they're often called Asian pickling melons, are bitter, but these are not. They do have a bitter trait in them, so you do have to kind of watch out for that. It's possible that they could be bitter, but with my population, there's none that are bitter. So I kind of worked on getting that out of the population in the last generation. Not this generation, the generation before. So I think that's about it. So they go from straight striped, as you see here, to this kind of splotching. So with the stripes. If you have any questions, oh, and this one's getting ripe here, by the way. You can see the turning kind of yellowish orange. If you have any questions, just let me know. This is Jay from Cucumber Shop, and happy gardening.